Second day of the 13th session of the 10th Manipur Legislative Assembly held. Chief Minister informs House that state needs additional 3,000 policemen. Apunvalup says failure to take statement of suspended head constable Herojit in Sanjit case shows inefficiency of Manipur's judicial system. 27,238 students appear for class 12 COSM exam for the first time. CCTV cameras are installed at 18 centers. And all Manipur Government-Aided College Teachers Association appeals to state government to make 6 aided colleges into full-fledged government college. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshram Sangeeta with top stories and all the latest news at this hour. On the second day of the 13th session of the 10th Manipur Legislative Assembly, Chief Minister Okram Iboobising informed the House that the state requires additional 3,000 police personnel. Chief Minister said additional policemen are required as security personnel will be deployed at Tupul Railway Service, which will start functioning from end of the year or by March next year. Okram Iboobising said more police personnel are required to control law and order situation in the state. The House today paid condolence and as a mark of respect, observed a 2-minute silence condoling the death of India's 8th Lok Sabha Speaker, Balram Jakhar, General K.V. Krishna Rao, former Manipur Governor, Laisangbam Ibomcha, former member of Manipur Territorial Assembly from Bishnupur District, Loitombam Sharat, former Manipur Legislative Assembly from Singjamai Assembly Constituency, and Atomba Ngairambam Cha, former Deputy Speaker from Kurai Assembly Constituency. Chief Minister announced the business of the week in the House. Opposition MLA I. Bohalbi, Laisom Ibomcha and K.S. Joykishan move amendments to the motion of thanks to the Governor's address given on the first day of the Assembly session. MLA Ibohalbi said Governor's motion of thanks given on 19th of February failed to address immediate relief measures given to the victims of recent earthquake which occurred with epicenter in Tamenung district, reclamation of water bodies in Manipur, government's failure to recognize state players who won medals in the recently concluded Southeast Asian Games. Thameban MLA Joykishan said it looked like that Governor's motion of thanks was hurriedly written. Joykishan said the Governor's address did mention the National Highway and State Highway, but it did not mention about ODR, MDR and IVR. Replying to queries of opposition MLAs, Chief Minister Okram Iboobising said over 20,000 crore rupees, over 20 crore rupees were sanctioned from the State Disaster Management Fund as the state could not wait for the centre. Chief Minister said relief work has already started after the funds were sanctioned by the government. Regarding the road and connectivity, Chief Minister informed the House that construction of most of the roads are completed under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana in hill districts. Okram Iboobising informed the House that due to shortage of funds, construction and repairing of roads in valley area are taking time. Chief Minister also informed the House that 160 crore rupees has been sanctioned from the state plan for the expansion of the Imphal International Airport. The House unanimously turned down the motion of thanks to the Governor's address, which was moved for amendment. Apunvalup today stated that failure to take statement of suspended head constable Herojit on Chungkham Sanjit fake encounter case has shown the inefficiency of the judicial system in the state. Working Committee Apunvalup staged a sit-in demanding justice on the Thokchom Rabina and Chungkham Sanjit murder case at Kaisampat Kaisam Lekai Lairembi Community Hall. Human rights defenders, human rights activists, various civil society organizations and Maira Paivi took part in the sit-in. Those who attended the sit-in strongly condemned the failure to record the statement of Herojit by the court and announced that a mass judicial movement will be started. Mention may be made that Herojit appeared in the court on 20 February to give his statement on the Sanjit fake encounter case. But the hearing was adjourned as the district and session judge, Imphal West, Maibam Manoj Kumar, did not turn up.
Rajnath unaba, adigi Human Rights Commission mi unaba, Rijiju se thaba, adigi leiba koi CBI the so among further investigation to nana ba close to the case in makatan evidence later banina amok chatana bagi port adu su yauna koi taksin bagi port adu hauna bagi oi ba dumba judicial movement ama nataga koi legal movement ama honglu bidang ta ngasi wakat mi phamsi phamjabani koi yamna shanti oina karigumba yamna sathiba yamna undemocratic oiba amta yawdana koi yamna peaceful oiba herojina personally appear to ga judge leram da bagi ga mari leinana koi gi judicial movement ama hongna bagi adumba opening civil protest haje batare adugi namta koi pangthok sabni
Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur President Thanajum Chawba and State General Secretary Administration M. Ashni Kumar have rushed to Delhi today after national party leaders asked them to come to the national capital. Sources say something concrete will be known whether or not election of new party president will be held once they return. Sources also added that the two party leaders may apprise the centre about corruption and various other misadministration of the Okram Ibobi Singh-led Congress government. Mention may be made that General Secretary Organization S.H. Premananda Sharma has already reached Delhi on 20 February. Lobbying for the party president post has been going on as the tenure of the incumbent president has ended. Ban outfit KCPMC Liberation appealed to all concerned to stop gang culture. Information and Publicity Military Affairs Secretary of KCPMC Liberation, Comrade Lanchen Maitai, in a press release said shooting someone for selling liquor, shooting teacher for not discharging his duty in exam, killing professor for wrongdoing in university election, and arming students in college elections are not rightful acts. The press release further noted that shooting a minor girl for sitting inside a restaurant is a clear act of gang culture. Shooting the unarmed girl by armed group of men is an act of cowardice and a crime against women. Women leaders should have been accompanied in executing such activities against a woman. The press release added that using wrong method to correct a wrong deed is a clear manifestation of thoughtless and insensitive act. The Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSEM began today. 27,238 students appeared for the examination. For the first time, CCTV cameras were installed at 18 selected exam centers to stop unfair means used by students during the examination. Apart from CCTV cameras, invigilators across the exam centers strictly monitored the students. On the other hand, state police personnel kept a strict vigil outside the examination center. Impact News found at few centers that teachers were keeping strict vigil to stop students from using unfair means. In More, the examination was conducted with peace. Out of 210 students, 186 students appeared for the exam at the center. More police kept a strict vigil outside the exam center. 4 students from More Center were expelled from examination for using unfair means. Meanwhile, the efforts of the state government to assure transparency to stop unfair means during exams suffered a major setback as 18 CCTV cameras installed at Bira Mongol College, Sombung, were destroyed by unidentified miscreants. The caretaker of the college found the cameras to be broken after he opened the college gate at around 8 this morning. The incident was reported to Lamlai Police Station. All Manipur Government Aided College Teachers Association has appealed to the state government to make 6 aided colleges, namely Biramangol College, Thambalmari College, Liberal College, Kakching Kuno College, Mayai Lambi College and Standard College into full-fledged government college. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Vice President of Amagta, Dr. M. Somendro, said 500 of them are teaching 11,000 students, that also by sharing their salaries. He said they did not get 6th pay revision, no pension facility and no service protection. He appealed to the state government to form new policy for them in the ongoing assembly session.
Ingsogle singamo samapan marput taritagi post kharaga pireraga ani proposal sing yenaduna yamna wana buji phobada angang sing takpi tambiri matam di hanget pite UC 6 pay revision akoi sana bite placement late the service protection late pension facility late Honorable Chief Minister of Education Minister na thajaba kera han pibi ai bonus pibi adu thabo yam to pangthok pite huji phami ba assembly session sida ari beded college taruk sigi yam concrete oiba koi phibam phagana policy ma semado koi pamjai sigi situation sida makhata na sum leragadi aided college taruk se ari taruk se mutkhibi aba thak leire.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, has accused Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor H.N.K. Sharma, of extending service period of his wife against central norms. Service period of G. Kamlabati, wife of Professor H.N.K. Sharma, who works as assistant finance officer in Manipur University, should have ended on 4th of September 2012. However, she continues to hold the post till today. Speaking to media at his office at Kaisampat Junction, Desam President Moirangthem Angamba asked how and why the service extension of G. Kamlabati was given when there is a norm of central government that the service period of 60 years old employee must not be extended and he or she must not be appointed to a post. Angamba also added that Desam has the evidence that Vice Chancellor H.N.K. Sharma has misused his power in recruiting more than 100 non-teaching staff in 2011 without any notification.
Magi meedana aikoigi sanmirai naibgi thabo asi aikoigi Manipur University gi BC-na yamna saungna aranba makhak tauri haibaduni Central Government amadi MHRD gi khannaba fact finding team amakhak sema kanda koi Manipur University gi BC-na tauriba aranba favoritism nepotism gi achoba question nama Manipur University manungda lakpa sugum mayam ama aranba mayam ama tauriba BC si mathakta akaknaba inquiry team amakhak sema kanda atu matamda yengchinna gi oiba
Students of GP Women's College today appeal to stay the transfer notice of lectures to the college issued by the Director of University and Higher Education. Transfer order and the place of new posting of 14 lecturers had already been notified. Students stay sitting at the gate of the college and appeal not to disturb the academic atmosphere of the college. Protesting students also stated that if the authority concerned failed to pay heed to the request, they will resort to intense agitation, including class boycott.
Akoidazu academic atmosphere ju yam akaiba oireba section hauraga oza transfer tauba haje akoi honors kangu da ju yam chamamna ba man thoko oza transfer tauba khotpagi adu moigi ju yengbiraga akoi matang matamje khitang moina transfer tauni haiba matamje khitang extend taubiyo haide akoi section loinaraba matam gumbada oina sarkarna tauningaga chu du matamda oin sinbiyona hajani.
Manipur University Students Union MUSU will lock down administrative block of Manipur University from tomorrow in protest against the overcharging in the admission of 4th and 6th semester in the university. Speaking to media at his office, MUSU President Jingsubam Manglemton said Rs 38 have been overcharged from the students of 2014-2015 batch in the admission to 4th and 6th semester. Admission fee of these students was charged as per 2015-2016 prospectus instead of 2014-2015 prospectus. MUSU President also added that Vice Chancellor assured to refund the excess amount by the last date of admission, February 17, but he failed to keep his words. All shops along the Pauna Bazaar were closed today against the cabinet decision to prohibit parking along the market, alleging significant drop in the business after the prohibition. Large number of shopkeepers took to street and made other shops pull down the shutters. Imphal West Police were on high alert to prevent any untoward incident during the protest. Shopkeepers lamented that the prohibition affected the transportation of goods and buyers are also reluctant to stop their vehicle and purchase goods, fearing traffic police might deflate or manhandle their vehicles.
ngasi gari thingjan gibna maram oraga ngasi nongmada business transaction fajana toromba kholangkha kauraktaba dukan gi bara puba ngamaktaba leba asigi semilon phangatoribja ngasi gari khamandre koina haibadi gari permanently khamanma haiba sunate fajana traffic manage tobe pot chai leiba laiba mi singdudi sanni roi tangum tanba nungsit hek thadokpiga pot chai arumba he pujarakpa matang nungsit thadokpira yam awaba tan hangiba aduna ngasi pot leigi tawbogda traffic ki khonjen mayep tabada ki dana pot leidana chenaba mi su yaure.
All Manipur Anti-Corruption and Social Organization today threatened to file a case against Chief Information Commissioner T.H. Ivobi in High Court. Speaking to Impact News, Organization Secretary B. Prem Sharma today said the organization found that incomplete answers were given to RTI complaint number 55/2015 filed by Thongam Shushila from Kairak Makhalekai regarding the 2015 Youth Award. Prem Sharma said the organization on 18th of February filed an RTI complaint related to the query of Shushila regarding the 2015 Youth Award, which was rejected by Chief Information Commissioner, asking them who had given them authorization. Prem Sharma said the organization will write to Prime Minister and Governor regarding the matter.
ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯖꯨꯗꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯂꯦꯛꯆꯨꯑꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯔ.ꯇꯤ.ꯑꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯕꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯆꯨꯝ ꯑꯔꯥꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯠꯇ ꯋꯦꯕꯁꯥꯏꯠꯀꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯐꯦꯁꯕꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯞꯂꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯆꯨꯝ ꯑꯔꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯆꯤꯞ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ केस अमा फाइल तौरगनी असिगुम्बा डिसीजन असिबु क्वास तकबियु कक्थटपियु हाइदना भारत की प्राइम मिनिस्टर लोइना मणिपुर की गवर्नर दा मणिपुर की चीफ इंफॉर्मेशन कमिश्नर दी मयाम की ओनत तैनाबदा आरटीआई एक्ट पु वायोलेशन तौदना राय ताई हाइदुना यामना मरिक चुमना खंगल लगनी हाइबु
A one-day national environment awareness campaign on the theme Combating Desertification, Land Degradation Drought was held at Bishanpur district. Awareness program was organized by Society for Disabled Person Manipur in collaboration with Ministry of Environment and Forests, Government of India and Directorate of Environment, Government of Manipur at Hautak Tampakuno Community Hall. Locals of Hautak and Kumbi attended the awareness program and planted saplings at Hautak Ching. The High Court of Manipur in a press note informs that in continuation of the early notification of 19 February 2016, the computer typing test for stenographer grade 1 will be held from 10 a.m. onwards and for stenographer grade 2 from 11 a.m. onwards at the High Court complex. It's time for a small commercial break. Keep watching Impact News.
Shija Piles Week, February tang 22 kuntaret fauba free surgery OPD consultation for piles loinana 15 March faubagi manungda treatment tawiragadi 15% concession fangbigani.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Former professor and head of Department of Philosophy, Manipur University, Soyam Lokendrijit said Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 has transformed the entire Northeast into a state of exception. Delivering lecture on democracy and state of exception is Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Manipur eternal. Soyam Lokendrijit said in the name of counter-insurgency, the state forces are indulging in fake encounter cases. He was speaking at the international seminar on Multitude and Democracy, New Perspective, which was held at the Court Hall of Manipur University. The seminar was organized by Philosophy Department, Manipur University, under the sponsorship of Peace Research Institute, Oslo, Norway.
It has transformed Northeast India and has made into a space for a state of exception, where rule of law is made exception of on behalf of state forces who are licensed to kill, man, incapacitate and destroy properties in the so-called counter-insurgency operations.
The seminar was attended by students, scholars, officials of Manipur University, including 11 delegates from abroad. Speaking to Impact News, member of Peace Research Institute, Oslo, Norway, Ashil Kola said they are hopeful that the recommendation of the seminar will be able to bring new solution perspective in solving the problem of conflict-torn states.
Conflict-torn state, yes. So this is our idea that we should be able to talk about conflict and solutions to conflict. So my institute is a Peace Research Institute. We are over 50 years old. And as far as I know, nobody has been doing any research on conflicts in Northeast India. But we know from statistics, from global statistics, that India is one of the more conflict-prone countries, and Northeast India is one of the conflict areas. So we think that it would be a good opportunity now to start opening up.
Manipur Electricity Employees Union today stayed sitting at Imphal Electrical Division No. 4 Kumalampak Main Stadium. The protesting employees were demanding no appointment of new employees unless work charge and muster roll employees of Electricity Department are regularized. General Secretary, Manipur Electricity Employees Union, Laishram Rajen said they took up this step as authority concerned, including the Chief Minister failed to meet the demand to regularize the work charge and muster roll employees. Rajen also warned that more intense form of agitation will be taken out if the demand is not met by 20th of March.
Regularization ji hek tawdriba phawbadi akoi makhatana mafam akoi division khudimakta numini kala akoi dharna phamjagini mathangi ago date 27 sida mo ID to da akoi dharna phangani masi tang kun jo manura tawbiraktaba targadi akoi makhataba akoi strike khangde ama khangde akoi no office thingjan khudima akoi makhatana changjagini.
The Solidarity Group of Manipur has expressed anguish over the happenings in Jawaharlal Nehru University. In a statement issued to the media, the Solidarity Group from Manipur said they are appalled by the conduct of the present regime against Jawaharlal Nehru University, where students are being hunted down for debating on an issue which is also close to the heart of Manipur. The statement said there is a critical need for deepening dialogue on the very idea of India so that many nations and nationalities have space for their expressions rather than stifling them within a very narrow definition of India. The group demanded unconditional withdrawal of police personnel from campuses and reiterate their support and solidarity with the students, faculty and staff of JNU. Mushroom Growers Association Manipur Mugam in a press note informs that the first state-level mushroom exhibition cum musical concert and Mugam lottery will be held on 24th of April at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre Palace compound. JC against the rape of a minor girl today appealed to civil society and general public to financially support a minor rape survivor who is undergoing treatment at RIMS. The condition of the rape survivor is said to be critical. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, JC against the rape of a minor convener Panti Golmai said, Maikingai Panmai, aged 18, son of Ngamthuipao Panmai of Chinikhul, Senapati district, allegedly raped a 6-year-old girl from Tamenglong district in the evening of 15th of Feb. The alleged rapist, Maikingai Panmai, also brutally assaulted the minor girl. Convener Panti Golmai said the alleged rapist, Maikingai Panmai, procured a fake certificate to prove himself as a minor and he was sent to a juvenile home. Convener Panti Golmai urged the authorities concerned to send the alleged rapist to jail and take action against the accused person.
Accused Maikingai sina certificate si ama pura raga ma se sahi tramari khaktani haina claim taraga juvenile home da leib se khoi jam pende ma se sahi trani mari khaktagi na te trani panni haina khoi claim tawi maramdi khoi na thajaba yaba likhun kya di khoi thi home to na ma se sahi trani panne ana thuba matamda ma bu juvenile home de lo thoraga jail da thamraga matik saba legal justice piraga matik saba dandi pig dobni habsi khoi JC gi dimane adona adu tawdrabdi khoi
Bangalore-based author Jean Marshall reached Imphal today on a bicycle. Jean Marshall started his journey from New Jalpaiguri, West Bengal, with the aim to tour the entire Northeast India. Addressing Impact News at Manipur Press Club, Jean Marshall said he started his bicycle journey on 28th of January from Jalpaiguri this year. He said he is going to write a book based on Northeast, and this journey will help him in doing research. The 10-day entrepreneurship development program began from today at Bishnupur. The training program is organized by District Industry Center Bishnupur under second phase at its office training hall. 225 people under the age group of 18 to 45 will be given entrepreneurship and skill development training. Financial assistance will be given to 600 scheduled castes and minority beneficiaries of Andro Assembly constituency to set up 600 Pigra unit under the Make in Manipur mission under the sponsorship of State Commerce and Industries Department. Representatives of Manipur Food Industries Cooperative Limited along with social activist Kaisam Ningthem Jao today conducted a survey in this regard. Chief Consultant of Manipur Food Industries Cooperative Limited, Professor Mudgal, stated that financial assistance of 50,000 rupees will help the 600 beneficiaries in developing a work culture and income generation. Now some sports news. The three-day state-level Northeast Games 2015-2016 concluded today at Kumbhalna Park Sports Complex. The Games was organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports under the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan scheme from 20 of February. Players from 9 districts competed in athletics, badminton, boxing, football, hockey, judo, table tennis and weightlifting. Imphal East won the overall champion, Imphal West got the runners-up, while Thoubal got the second runners-up. The winners in the game will represent Manipur in the Northeast Games 2015-2016 to be held at Sports Complex. In the third Oinam Charlie Memorial Open 5A side football tournament, Vikas FC Singjamai Mayeng Laikai, PYYDA Pangai and MSCP Kiamgai won their respective matches. In the first league match today, Vikas FC Singjamai Mayeng Laikai trounced MSF FC Kasamthong To Playak by 2-0. In the second league match, PYYDA Pangai defeated TYDA Tobul by 1-0. While in the third league match, MSCP Kiamgai outclassed NOFC Ningthaujam Laikai by 1-0. 22 teams are competing in the tournament, which kicked off from the 14th of this month at the ground of Aikoigi Club Singjamai Oinam Thingel. Match between MTUC Malom and LFA Thinungai A went for goalless draw in the 12th under-16 THB Rajendra Singh Football Academy tournament today. The tournament is organized by THB Rajendra Singh Football Academy Tabungkhok at his playground. MSC Malom will play TBSFA Team B Tabungkhok and YTGPT Yairipok Top will take on LFA Thinungai B tomorrow. BJP councillor and detained from Hairok Assembly constituency today handed over newly developed playground at Ngarothel, Hairok Part 3 to the people of the area. District level 7A side under 13 football tournament also started from today at the new playground. 8 teams are competing for the tournament. In the first match, 7-star Hairok defeated Kaireng Bikhok Youth Club by 2-0. Second state level Open 6A side football tournament organized by Hishu Thoubal began from today at Thoubal Mela ground. 18 teams are competing for the trophy. The first match played between Nasar Sikhong Sekmai and 7 Lucky Star Khongjom Circle Panjil ended in a 1-1 draw. In the second match, CDO Thoubal outclassed SYDA Athom Pam by 8-2. Second district level 30-day non-residential football coaching camp began today at Moirangpalli Playground, Khangabok Part 3. The coaching camp is organized by KYSA Club, Sangayumpam Part 2 and around 106 young players who are below 15 years are taking part in the camp. The first state level Aribam Amutombi Sharma Memorial Color Dress Veteran Cricket Championship Trophy began today. In the first league match of the tournament, Napsa Kha Imphal won the toss and elected to bat first against Model Club A Chingam Kha. In the first given 30 overs, Napsa Kha Imphal made 112 runs by losing just 7 wickets. In reply, Model Club A Chingam Kha made 113 runs in 22.2 overs by losing 3 wickets. Model Club A Chingam Kha batsman Suresh was declared man of the match for making 47 runs. In the second league match tomorrow, DSU Kwakaithel will take on Krau Khamnam Kaithel. India's under-15 #1 badminton players Maisna Mairaba Luang of Manipur has been conferred Ayaz Bilawala Award at Bombay Gymkhana. The award was presented by Honorary Secretary of Badminton 45 Bombay Ayaz Bilawala to Mairaba for his championship title he won in the 29th Sub-National Badminton Championship held at Visakhapatnam. That's all we have in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Second day of the 13th session of the 10th Manipur Legislative Assembly held. Chief Minister informs House that state needs additional 3,000 policemen. Apun Ballup says failure to take statement of suspended head constable Herojit in Sanjit case shows the inefficiency of Manipur's judicial system. Over 27,000 students appear for Class 12 COSM exam. For the first time, CCTV cameras are installed at 18 centers. And All Manipur Government Aided College Teachers Association appealed to state government to make 6 aided college into full-fledged government college.